Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you, bro?
I'm also fine. Where are you from?
I'm from Dhaka, precisely in Munshiganj. Currently, I'm living in a village. It's called Chandanpur. And you?
I'm from Raspberry district.
Raspberry district.
Yes.
Okay. So I just completed my international foundation diploma recently, and after that, I decided to join English fantasy. Yeah. So, what is your English background? What is your background?
Recently I have completed my HSC examination from Adamji Cantonment College, Dhaka Cantonment.
Okay.
But now I am doing IS plus basic
Basic
course
plus IELTS,
at
yeah.
English and English fantasy.
Yeah, I also signed up for basic plus IELTS because I think we should like improve our basics at first, because IELTS is nowadays IELTS is really tough nowadays.
Yes.
So I took this serious decision because I really have some serious problem in my basics. So that's why I decided to come here. I think this is the most perfect institute for basics, actually.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, I am also agree with you because I have also some problem in basic. That's why I chose basic plus IS, because after finishing my basic, then I can easily move to IELTS. So, what is your hobby?
Yeah, my hobbies are like playing badminton and watching movies. I really like to watch movie, and I watched like thousands of movies, I can say. Yeah, it's like it is the most part of my life, I can say. Whenever I watch a movie, I feel I'm in somewhere else, actually. Yeah. So, what is your hobby?
I love to play cricket. My favorite player is A.V. de Villiers. Also, I love to play football.
You so.
In your free time, what do you want?
Uh, in my free time, actually, I always seek time for watching movies. As I told you, I'm really obsessed with the movies. So in my free time, I usually try to watch movie. But now, as I joined Basic Plus IELTS, there is no time for watch movies, actually.
Yes,
And
our
so
is
our
very
mentors
total.
are always guiding us properly, and they're always helping us. So right now, I'm taking a break from my movie world. I didn't ask you how about you? Like, how do you feel about after joining English fantasy?
I feel very good because it is a institution where a person, if a person admit to English fantasy, he can really gain many knowledge. He can improve his skills, because our mentor is very good. They are very friendly. They always want to guide us in a good way.
Yeah.
And it is a place. You can easily practice English, because we are always speaking in English. Otherwise, we will be fined.
Yeah.
So that's why this is a place you can easily improve your English skill when you are in such a kind of environment where everyone always speak in English. You can easily cope up with them. That's why.
Yeah, I can say, because I just joined, as I told you. So when I joined, my confidence was really poor, and I had a lot lack of information, and a lot of problems. But when I joined, I feel like I have full of confidence, and teachers are much like friendly, and they are always helping with other student and me, and they always like to be friendly with you, which is really important. And they always try to make English environment.
Yes.
Yeah, there since I came here, I saw that they're maintaining a good environment, English
Yes.
environment, which
Yes.
is the most important part,
Important.
I
I
think.
think.
Yeah. So I think I'm pretty much lucky, so that I signed up for
This course.
this course. Yeah.
And this institution.
Yeah.
So thank you for your valuable time.
Yeah. Thank you too, and see you again, bro.